Hello and welcome back to my channel on Humanscreed. So we now here to check the difference between what is the procedure to check whether the old one spark plug is damaged or not. And here is the new one, a spark plug, as you see, of NGK company, and his MRP is 91 rupees. Yeah, 91 rupees. So let's take an example of damaged one. So this is the damaged one spark plug. Here you can see that if you try to see this, so here you can see the black rust is there. So that's why the spark is not happen in the engine, and that's why the ignition is not happen. So here you see the next one. In this you see the new one is clear and very silver. So in this no rust is there and no black is there. So very clean electric supply is supplied to the engine, and ignition will start perfectly. If this condition can happen, what could we do? So we here to take the sandpaper. Here you can just rub the upper surface like this. So here you can see that some rust are going and clear. So here you can clean this. I go for the clean, so take a minute. So here you can see that we clear all the top portion and middle portion gap. We have cleaned this, and let's take a test for this is working or not. Actually we have a new one, so this will work as I showed. So this is the procedure. You can clean the spark plug with the sandpaper and clean between these two. You can see that in between two lines, you can see that the space is there. From there you have to clean the in between, and the lower portion should be clean and the upper top portion should be clean. So that should be clean, then the spark will be happen and your spark plug could be fixed. So that is the procedure. Why you take new one, just by rubbing it work. Whenever your bike is stopped and misfiring is happen, please do this one thing and your bike will run smoothly. So thank you and hope you like it.